channel. My name is Alex, and this is my brother's 2024 Honda CRF450RL. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning into this video. Today, we have a little bit of a different video, not my normal bike, but something way better. This is my brother's 2024 Honda CRF450RL, meaning this thing is street legal. You heard that right. We're gonna be taking this thing on a cruise. I'm gonna wear the GoPro and see what we think of this beast. And I may, wink, wink, pop some wheelies. Don't tell my brother. So I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of this bike and showcasing what's done to it, because this isn't a fully stock 450L. So we'll start up top here with the controls. He's running some Pro Taper Henry Reed bars, Pro Taper pillow top grips. It has full headlights, brake lights, horn, turn signals. He's got these awesome sleek looking mirrors built into these bark busters, and they also have built-in turn signals into them, which is really cool. For engine, he's got a Vortex tuned ECU full FMF Q4 exhaust with the insert removed. So this thing barks, it's loud, it's mean. I'm gonna start it up soon for you guys so you can hear. Then we'll go down here for wheels. He's running Warp 9 rims, front and rear. These are these stock street tires. He also has a pair of Hoosiers, which are the dirt bike tires. Also has a Warp 9 sprocket. And then also on these L models, they have a fan for the radiator to keep it cool, which is really neat. Bike does have stock suspension, so that is stock on this bike. Also have this Acerbis frame grip thing that bolts on. Gives you a little more grip on the side, which is cool. So what you guys really want to see is how this thing sounds. So let's get this thing started up. Not very loud when it's idling. When I crack the throttle, man, you know. All right, we gotta hit limiter one time, come on. Woo! Now I can't help myself. We gotta take this thing out for a rip, let's go. Alright guys, we are on this thing, letting her warm up, getting ready to go out for a little cruise, see how she feels on the road. Big old 450 street legal bike. We got lights, license plate. So let's go see how she feels. Nice little cruise. We'll turn our lights on just to be safe. that you can take anywhere, this is what you need. This is what you need right here. Sick. All right, let's get back out. Dude, this comes up so easily. Oh my gosh, man. Thumbs up, double thumbs up for this machine, man. That was such a fun ride. Great bike. Even got fans honking at me. You know how it is. Super awesome. All right, guys, what an awesome ride. I had such a good time filming this video, riding this bike. Thank you to my brother for letting me do so. I hope you guys enjoyed all the footage I got. I had a great time. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to make another video for the channel. And yeah, thanks again for watching. If you want to comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. What an awesome bike. I gotta get one. I'll see y'all in the next one.